All right, so we've done a few examples here of how to factor when a is not 1. But let's take a moment and let's do one, and we'll write the steps out that we do each time. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write out the factors of 3 and 6.
Okay, so there's only one way of getting 3, 3 times 1. Two ways of getting 6, 2 times 3, and 6 times 1.
All right, so we list all the factors of the first and last terms as such. Then once we've done that, we look for combinations to add, multiply, or to add or subtract to get the middle number. Okay. So we look for 3 times 2, look for 3 times 1, that adds up to 9. That doesn't work so well. We look also here, let's change color.
We're looking for adding and taking away, aren't we? Because some other examples. So we look at the 6 and the 3, and we could take away to get 3, or we could add to get 9, right? And then this one, we get 11 or 7 with possibilities.
Right, and so these don't work so well. Okay. We go to the next example, the next pair. I can go cross 3 times 6 is 18. 1 times 1 is 1. Can I add or subtract those to get negative 19 somehow?
Sure can.
Sure can. Okay, so that's a good thing, and so now I have to try and write it out so that it makes sense. The next step is to put it in parentheses.
Yep.
These first factors go in the first cell with the x.
Here's where our x is, yeah.
Right, so first factors in first positions.
Okay.
And then
now we need to figure out what did we do to get the 18 and that 1. And lots of people put the 18 and the 1 in parentheses, which is wrong.
Yeah, that's bad.
We need to do what do we times that 3 by to get our 18, Mr. Robs?
And that is 6. So we have to put first factors in first positions, and then we look at the outside combination. And we have to figure out what multiply to get 18 for this one.
Okay, and then the last one is 1 times 1. So that one means 1x times 1.
Okay, so outside combination, and then we do the inside combination.
And last, we just got to start considering the signs now, right?
Right.
So we need, if we go back and have a look at our original equation, when we multiply the last terms, we need to get a positive number. So it's either positive times positive or negative times negative. It can't be one of each.
Right. And we want it to be a negative 19. So the only possible way that can be is if they are both negative. Because this is negative 18, negative 1. We want this to be the negative and this to be a negative. And so this is our factoring. So the last step is doing the positive and negatives.
Okay, and then I guess you can check, make sure it works as well. So we've got our first 3x squared.
So check.
Yep.
And I'll change color here. So the first will be, as you said, 3x squared.
And then outside we get our negative 18.
Negative
18x. Sorry. Inside negative 1x.
Negative x.
And then last plus 6.
Here to here. That is plus 6. So 3x squared minus 19x plus 6.
Very nice.